I will tell Daddy. Daddy. I will tell Daddy. Daddy.
I see you!
Daddy, si Riley. Daddy. Si Riley. Hindi niya ano yung pen niya. Yung toys, ay pen niya.
Ah!
Ayan siya, oh.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Hello. 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 Alam mo ba, Daddy, si Riley lagot. Hala, lagot ka. Lagot siya. Hala, lagot siya. Oh, 8-8 siya, oh. 8-8. Patingin nga, 8-8, Ray.
Plus 8-8.
Oo. Ala, nag-twerk ka.
Plus 8-8 lang eh!
I will tell Daddy you
No!
you twerked. Ala, lagot ka. Nag-twerk ka. Hala. I will show to Daddy you twerk. Ayan, isi-send ko na. Wait.
Ah! No!
Ba't kasi nag-twerk?
No! Plus 8-8 lang po eh!
How
Plus
about,
8-8!
how about the missing pen?
It's in my cabinet na! It's in my cabinet na po
It's
eh.
not missing.
It's not missing. You're just pranking me lang.
Ayan po siya.
Stop it! Stop it! It's not missing!
Wala, nag-8-8. Ay, nag-twerk ka. Patingin nga ulit ng twerk. Twerk. Patingin, twerk. Ay, 8-8 lang pala. May si 8-8.
Ocho eh!
Ah, sige. Patingin. Patingin na 8-8.
Ocho-ochi?
Ano ba yung puwet na yan? 8-8 yan.
Ochi-ochi yan!
Ochi.
Mommy,
Mm.
look at it.
Ala. 8-8 yan. Nainis ka na, Ray?
Mm. I have a sword in here in my hand.
Angry ka na?
Okay.
Sobra? Aray! Ray, anak. At tama na. Isasend ko na kay Daddy. What? What's wrong?
I don't want it.
Bakit? Wala ka na. May ginawa ka bang bad?
No.
Oh, wala pala eh. Bakit?
Wala.
Wala pala eh.
Sana.
Send ka na?
Apa.
Ah, sige.